Go ahead, Daddy.
The freezer.
Go ahead, Daddy. What does yours say?
The freezer. This is the freezer.
Devon, what does yours say? Daddy.
Maybe I don't want to put it on.
It's a scavenger hunt, shithead.
Really?
What?
You really have to do this?
You don't want to? You don't have to.
Again?
Really?
I'm mad at you guys.
What does that one say?
What does it say, Benji?
Drawer in that.
Hey, shoes!
In the bathroom. Again! Wait for Benji.
¿La cogiste? Otra. What does it say?
That's what Daddy's job.
Hurry up. Come on, let's go. It's scavenger hunt. Come on. Come on, let's go. Go.
Benji, look where we have to go.
What's it say? What does that one say?
Ew, he's recording this.
Don't take it.
Oh, you don't want it? Okay. Okay.
They want that waiting like, I'll do it for you.
Washing machine.
Okay, you guys gotta go together.
Yeah, it's something. It's something in the washing machine.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Bring it in here.
Did you read it?
Benji. Not Benji.
Let me see.
This is Merry
Take
Christmas.
it down. Take it down.
Yes.
See what it says?
Merry Christmas and have fun. Be careful. Put down easy.
What does that mean?
It's a ferret.
Yeah, it's a ferret. Help him over there, Benji. Come on, what could it be? What could it be?
A ferret. Another letter.
That one's wrapped up pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
If it's another letter, I'm gonna be mad.
Another letter.
Really?
What does it say, Benji?
Inside the machine. I'm mad at you guys.
But what is in it? Club one.
Hey. There's a towel in there. Is that my present?
No. Come on. Come on.
Come on, don't open it yet. In the house.
Come on.
Oh, another calculator. I feel gold.
So you can do math on both hands? Open it.
Ta-da!
What does it say?
Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag.
What does it say?
Where? Oh yeah, please. It's yours. It's yours.
What does it say?
It says only on PlayStation 4.
PlayStation 4.
Yeah.
Yes! Oh my god! We get a PlayStation 4!
There, guys.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Open it.
Now I get it.
Now I get it, yeah.
This one's from Auntie Christy. Dad, open it.
Go.
Open it.
This one's you and me.
Whoa, PlayStation 4 controller.
And I don't know what this is.
That one's for me. That one's mine.
Yeah.
Open it. Today.
The PlayStation 4.
Huh?
PlayStation 4. Oh, but everyone in our room,
Look at that, Benjamin.
the PlayStation 4.
Yeah.
No
It's
problem.
fine. I'm bringing this in my room. I will be there for 3 years. All right. Have a nice day.
That's what I don't like.